I'm going to do a guided dream hypnosis session. I'm actually going to use the idea of a dream that I had last night, so hopefully I will guide you into one of my dreams. Make sure you're comfortable. You can use headphones or not, doesn't matter with the session. Make sure your phone is off and there are no interruptions. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Take another very deep breath in, bringing in the fresh, clean oxygen to your body, and slowly exhale. Take one more very deep breath. And as you exhale, already you can feel your body beginning to relax. Very good. Now I want you to focus on your feet. And imagine a warm, white, liquid light swirling around your feet. And everything that this white light touches, it relaxes. And you can see the warm light swirling around your feet as your feet begin to relax. And that white light flows up your feet into your ankles. And from your ankles, up your legs into your knees. And from your knees, up your thighs, into your hips. And your legs and your hips relax. And you can even begin to feel the warmth from that white liquid light as your legs begin to feel warm and may even begin to feel tingly as that light penetrates deep into every muscle and every nerve. And it continues up your hips into your abdomen, up your abdomen into your chest, your shoulders, your back, warm, white, liquid light, and down your arms, all the way to the very tips of your fingers. That's right, and you can feel the warmth from that white liquid light, the warmth in every muscle, every nerve, every bone. And you can feel a slight tingling sensation. And if you don't yet, that's okay. But if you do feel that tingling sensation, the more you notice it, the more you feel it. And that tingling sensation is fresh, new blood rushing through your body, bringing healthy new blood to every single minute part of you. and the warmth from that liquid light relaxes every muscle. And that white light continues up your neck, relaxing your neck, up over your head and down your brow, around your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw, and you may begin to notice that your eyes are beginning to blink. And the more they blink, the heavier they become. And the heavier they become, the more they blink. Until it just feels so much better to let them stay closed. So close your eyes and take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, release any remaining tension in your body. So relaxed, so peaceful. That's right. Now, with your eyes closed and your body relaxing, I want you to visualize or imagine yourself standing at the top of a beautiful staircase. This staircase has 10 steps. In a moment, I'm going to begin to count from 10 down to 0. And as I do, I want you to imagine yourself taking a step down the staircase. And with each step you take, you go deeper into a relaxed state. 10, going deeper and deeper. 9, going down that staircase further and further. 8, 7, deeper and deeper, further and further, down the staircase into complete relaxation. 7, even further now. 6, deeper and deeper, further and further. 5, even deeper. 4, almost to the bottom of that staircase, to complete relaxation. 3, even deeper now, further and further. 2, and 1. Very good. Now at the bottom of that staircase, you gently fall into a large bed, comfortable and relaxed. Every part of your body has completely relaxed, and you've let go of all the tension and all the stress. And you can feel your body laying softly in that bed as the sheets are soft around your body, soft and warm, comfortable and relaxed. And with your eyes closed, you imagine yourself laying on this soft, warm bed. You begin to feel as if the bed is melting under your body, feeling your body melting, relaxing so gently, until you soon realize the bed is gone and you are gently drifting on soft, gentle waves of water, drifting back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And in a moment, I'm going to count again from 10 down to 0. And with each number I say, you will imagine yourself drifting over a gentle wave, and you'll go even further into a wonderful state of relaxation. 10. Drifting and floating, drifting and floating in the soft, gentle waves. 9. Drifting and floating deeper and deeper, further and further out to sea. 8. Further and further relaxed, letting everything go further and further, drifting further and further. 7. Drifting and floating in the gentle, warm waves of the water. 6. Keep on relaxing and keep on floating. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. And 0. Very good. Deep sleep. Deep sleep. You've let go of everything, all the tension in your body. Your mind is blank. Your body is limp and relaxed. And you feel safe. You feel at peace. And you feel yourself drifting to sleep. But you can still hear my voice and still hear my suggestions. Drifting further and further, so relaxed. Now, I want you to imagine a new scene. You are standing in the mountains with trees all around you and a clearing right in front of you. You can smell the crisp mountain fresh air and the smell of the evergreen trees around you. You can hear a babbling brook close by, and the birds in the trees and in the air. It's a peaceful place. It's a relaxing place. And as you're standing in this clearing in the mountains, you look up to the sky, the bright blue sunny sky, and you notice a light falling from that sky. It's very bright, and you can't yet picture what it is, but it's falling closer and closer to you. And as you continue to watch this light that is falling, you begin to see that it is falling faster and faster, faster and faster in your direction. And as you're watching this light, it falls and it crashes into the side of the mountain. It's large, larger than the size of a house, maybe the size of 3 houses. And you're curious what it is. So you begin to walk further up that mountain, past the clearing, up through all the trees, going higher and higher up to the mountaintop, where that light crashed. And when you finally reach the mountaintop, you see the light. And the light is not actually a light at all, but a spaceship. Silver, shiny, and the closer you get to it, the more you can feel the heat from it, from the fall. Your curiosity builds and you get closer to this ship. There is no one around. It is just you. And the door of the ship begins to open. Smoke comes out from the door, and a figure walks out. And the closer that figure gets to you, the more you begin to notice it is somebody you recognize. Somebody you care very deeply for. They could still be alive, or maybe they had passed on many years ago. But this person walks out of that ship, and you feel at peace, and you feel so happy to see that. and you begin to walk towards that person. And when you get closer to that person, you grab their hand and you walk with them back onto that ship. You don't look behind you. You're not afraid to leave everything behind you. You walk onto that ship with that person in your hand, and the door closes behind you. And you begin to feel yourself flying, but there are no windows, so you cannot see the sky outside. And you begin to feel weightless, light, light as a feather, so relaxed and so at peace. And you feel as if you are flying for several long moments. Flying, but you don't know where to. Drifting and floating, flying through the sky, through space, maybe through another dimension. But you're happy. You're with the person you care deeply about. And you begin to feel the weight in your body come back, and the ship begins to land. And you may even feel a small jolt as it hits the ground. And the door yet again opens. And your eyes take a moment to adjust to the light outside. When you walk outside, is the most beautiful place you've ever seen. The colors are more vibrant than anything you've ever imagined. Trees and valleys, rivers, plants like nothing you've ever seen before. In the sky, a beautiful gold, not blue like the one that you're used to, but a soft, warm gold. Everything is so beautiful. And this is where my dream took you. Now you may continue the dream from here.